My name is Xavier Barro-Urbeondo, and I'm the happy owner and manager of Fibrwrap Construction ESPAñA. It's a newly franchised, newly entity we created 2 months ago. My background is civil engineer, but my educational background is civil engineer, and I've been working as an employee with good responsibilities, and it was a good job in my former company, but I was sometimes a little bit frustrated not to be able to do all what I was expecting to, what I was looking for. Fibrwrap has been for me a great opportunity to start my own business, and I have a very strong support, so it's easier to start a business like that. I know about Fibrwrap and five products for like 5 years now. For the first time I heard about them. From the beginning, I've been looking at what they were doing. I think it's a great company, great products. They have a wide range of application on all kind of infrastructure, and it makes a lot of sense to me to partner with them for different reasons. There's a huge need of rehabilitation of the infrastructure in Spain, all kind of infrastructure from pipeline to buildings, bridges, everything. And Fibrwrap is the perfect answer to that to me, because they have a wide range of products who can fit and pretty much respond to any solution. The infrastructure rehabilitation industry is my professional background for the last 14 years, so it makes a lot of sense to me to stay in that. Plus my market in Spain is really in need of that kind of things. There's been a lot of new construction done over the last years, and there is a general consensus in the country that for the next, but long term, we're talking about 20, 50 years, there will be very little new construction. And there will be mainly the industry will be into rehabilitating about the existing infrastructure of the country. So I think it's a perfect time for me to start a business in that industry. The Fibrwrap franchise system is a perfect system for what I was looking for many reasons. It's my first entrepreneur experience, and it really helps you not to be alone on this first experience. Fibrwrap brings me consolidated technical knowledge, patented technologies, and a strong engineering expertise that really helped me from day one to be an expert on the market, which is somehow new for me. So I'm able to really bring something new on the market straight away. So I am an entrepreneur, but I'm not alone, so it makes my life much easier actually, and I can really make business from day one. Within the Fibrwrap support, within the franchisee, what you get is you get pretty much all the support you need when you start a business. You get all the marketing material straight away, a website, brochures, samples, everything you have. You have 100 of case study to show to the customers. So that bring you like, you're not a new company, you're like a reference experience company, and you start just a few weeks ago. That's the beauty of this concept, and they give you all the technical support to execute properly the job. So you're not only saying, you're also showing that what you say is true when the job sites come, the execution comes. You get all the design support. They have brilliant engineers who support you from the beginning, technical support, and you get, if you have the chance to get the job, which happened to me very quickly, I got on the job site engineers, technician, and that helped me execute the job on the right way from the very first day, which is very important, because it's something what you say to the customer and what you do after. I was able to show that I'm an expert on this industry. The training of myself and of the crews, operational crews on site, and it's actually a very practical one, because you don't do that from internet or from papers. They really come to the job site with you and execute and show you exactly how to do the jobs. And they would do that not only for every different kind of job. It was a pipeline infrastructure, and they will have another training for other kind of structure, buildings, bridges, everything in future. So I feel very confident about the success of my execution in the future. You're not alone. You enter like a large group, a large family, which is internationally based, with meetings where you have the chance to meet other people, other managers, other owners of similar businesses, similar industry in other countries all over the world. You can share experience, and even if I'm not sharing much experience myself, I'm receiving a lot of experience, and I'm seeing what others Fibrwrap subsidiaries have done in the past, and is great. As a conclusion, I would say I can only recommend anyone, if you have a proper assess your market, and if you see a possibility in your infrastructure rehabilitation, start an entrepreneur adventure. I think Fibrwrap is a great partner for that.